Hi, I'm Stephen Webster, I'd like to welcome you to 128A Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. We're getting bigger than the usual townhouse in a small complex. We've got a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a bedroom downstairs. We've got 2 living areas as well. Plus we're in a cul-de-sac and just a small walk to the shops. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 128A Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. As you can see, it's a beautifully designed home and well finished as well with high ceilings throughout. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Berks website.